Imagine this scene in your mind that I am at sea and I am in a small rowing boat. Now, my goal is to reach the shore of the mainland. And to reach the shore of the mainland, I have to row my boat. Now, I can row the boat in two ways. One is to row it like this so that I go in the direction of the shore, or I can row it like this, which will take me in the opposite direction. Now, here's what I do. For the first 5 minutes, I row like this, which is taking me in the direction of my goal. And then for the next 10 minutes, I row like this, which is taking me in the opposite direction. Now you may say, hey Rajiv, wait on, are you mad? Are you crazy? Why would you do a thing like that? And if you do a thing like that, you would never reach the shore of the mainland. You will get exhausted, you will get frustrated. Well, I agree to this, but let me tell you, this is what we do in our daily life as well. Now, you may say, well, I don't agree with this. No? Then let me explain. Let me give you a few examples. Let's take you have a goal of becoming healthy. So what do? You start exercising. So you are going in the direction of your goal. And then in the evening, you sit with your friends and you drink and drink and drink. You even smoke. Now what are you doing? You are rowing in the opposite direction, which is taking you away from the goal. Or, you eat almonds and you eat apples. Again, you go in the direction of the goals. And then you also, enjoy eating French fries and fried chicken. Then again, you are going away from your goal. Or take another example. You want to build relationship with people. Then what do? You talk to them politely, nicely, smile at them. Then you are going in the direction of the goal. And then you talk negative things behind their back, and then you are going in the opposite direction. Or take another example. Your goal is to become productive. So what do? You start working on your high value activity. So you are going in the direction of your goal. And then after some time, what do? You start looking at your mail, you start looking at your Facebook. Now you are rowing in the opposite direction. So the message I want to give you through my video is, if you want to achieve your goal, make sure that every effort that you are making is in the direction of your goal. Otherwise, you will be wasting your energy, wasting your time, you will get exhausted and you will get frustrated. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it and comment on it. I would love to have your comments in the comment box below. So thanks for watching this video. This is RajivKumarLuv. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling and take care. Bye.